Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to set up UTM or URL parameter in Facebook ads with Google Analytics 4. So let's get started. So first thing first, why we need the setup UTM or URL parameter in Facebook ads. So we know that if you set up the Facebook conversion API with Google Analytics 4, then Google Analytics 4 already provided the minimum report in the standard report. But the question is Google Analytics for providing the minimum results, not the in-depth results. So for that, if you are set up the URL parameter on your Facebook ads, then Google Analytics 4 provided the in details report. Now we can see that how to set up the URL parameter in your Facebook ads. So you can see that is my dummy account. For the security purpose, I do not share my buyer ads account. So firstly, you go to our campaign and then go to ads section. And in the ads section, you can scroll the mouse to end of the page. You can see the tracking. In the tracking option, you can find out the URL parameter option where you can create the URL parameter for Facebook ads. So we can see that URL parameters and we click the build a URL parameter. So click it. So campaign source, that will be the, you can write the Facebook. We are creating URL parameter for Facebook. In the campaign medium, you can write the paid or CPC, and then campaign name will be the, you can put the dynamic parameter, that is campaign name, and campaign content is not necessary, but if you are interested, then you can put the your required parameter which you want to see in the Google Analytics 4. Suppose ID or your content and site source, whatever you can put. But in my case, I'm just empty the campaign content and finally click the apply. And you can see that we are find out the URL parameter in our Facebook ads sections. So by using this URL parameter, Google Analytics 4 are providing the in-depth result. After completing the URL parameter setup, you are go to the report section and then go to the traffic acquisition. You can see your in-depth result for Facebook ads. So I am just clicking on it, and here you can see the session source and medium. Then here you can find out your in-depth result for Facebook ads, and top on corner you can click the pencil sign, and here you can optimize your dimension and metrics as well. If I am adding the more dimension on it, here you can see the add dimension. From here you have to optimize your report according to your requirement, and as well as in the metrics sections you can add more metrics for your reporting. Suppose I am adding the purchase in our metrics section, so I am selecting the purchase and click the apply, and then we can see that our purchase sections are adding with our reporting. So finally we are set up the URL parameter in Facebook ads with Google Analytics 4. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.